Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. So on the menu today, I am going to show you guys how to make these delicious, incredible, gooey chocolate brownies. Oh my goodness. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on that subscribe button and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I decided to use 2 types of chocolate, milk chocolate and dark chocolate. You can certainly use all dark chocolate. I also have vanilla extract, plain flour, cocoa powder, salt, eggs, granulated sugar, light brown sugar and unsalted butter. As always, I will list all the ingredients and measurement in the description box below. Before I begin making my brownies, I am preheating my oven at the correct temperature. I am now going to grease the pan which I'll be using to make the brownies with some unsalted butter. Next, I will line the pan with some grease-proof baking paper. I will then set this aside for later use. In a small pot, I have added water and I'm going to allow the water to come to a boil. This is what I will be using to melt the chocolate. I am now going to cut my chocolate into small pieces. This will make it easier when it comes to melting. So I've placed the chocolate on my chopping board and I'm using a sharp knife to cut it into small pieces. Next, I will remove the chocolate and place it in a mixing bowl. As the water has come to a boil, I'm going to place the mixing bowl on top of the pot. Now I'm going to add the unsalted butter and I'll mix everything together until the chocolate and the butter has completely melted. Guys, you can certainly melt the butter and the chocolate in a microwave. I prefer it doing it this way, especially when it comes to brownies, because I enjoy watching the chocolate and the butter melting together. Extremely therapeutic. And as you can see, the chocolate and the butter has melted nicely. I am now going to remove and set this aside to allow it to cool down. Now in a separate mixing bowl, I'm going to add the white sugar and the brown sugar. Next, I'm going to add 1 egg and I will whisk it together for 30 seconds before I add the remaining eggs. I'm now going to add vanilla extract and salt. Next, using a spatula, I will gently fold together. I am now going to add the melted chocolate which has cooled down to my mixture. And guys, please ensure that your melted chocolate has cooled down before you add it to the mixture, because if it is still hot, the heat from the melted chocolate will certainly cook your eggs and that's the last thing you want. So please do ensure that the melted chocolate has cooled down. I'm just gently folding everything together at this point. I am now going to sieve the plain flour and the cocoa powder together. Now gently fold everything together until well combined. Once everything is nicely combined, this is what you should expect. The brownie batter should look nice and gooey, and this will be ready for your baking tin. So I'm just going to pour the batter into my lined baking tin ready for the oven. I'm just tapping and shaking the mixture just to ensure that everything is leveled before I place it in the oven. Time for the oven. I am going to bake this for 25 minutes. And 25 minutes later, the brownies is ready. Oh my gosh, it is the cracks for me. This is how we know that our brownies is going to taste superb. Just look at the cracks on top, y'all. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm so excited. So I have left it to cool down, and now I'm going to slice my brownies into pieces. Then I'll show you guys how gooey it is inside. I've taken the brownies out of my baking tin. I just want to show you guys how these look, and just look at this. Oh my goodness, just look at the gooiness inside. I'm so excited. I'm sure you can hear it in my voice. Ooh, some vanilla ice cream is gonna go down. Anyways, as always guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so, and click the notification bell, which will notify you every time I post delicious recipes like this. Now I am going to enjoy my brownies, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.